everyone, welcome back to our channel Eduthiasm. We are here with a brand new video for you. We are going to tell you how to arrange the words according to dictionary. Before starting the video, I request you all to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done it yet and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from us. Let's begin the video. The first thing for the beginners especially, which has to be done in order to arrange the words according to dictionary, is to write the alphabet of the English language. The 26 letters we have in our English language, we should write them in order to avoid any confusion for the arrangement. Dictionary, as many of us know, is used to look for the meaning of the words, the pronunciation of the words, and the usage of the words. So, we must all know that dictionary follows alphabetical arrangement for the arrangement of its words. So, let's start the process. The first thing, after having a set of words, we have to do is to look for the first letter of the words given. For example, in graph we have G as our first letter. In knowledge, K we have as our first letter. So we will look for the first letter of the given words. After that, we will see the first letter of the English alphabet. If we have the word starting with A. Do we have any word starting with A? No. Starting with B? Yes. We have a word starting with B, which is butterfly. So we got our first word for the dictionary arrangement, which is butterfly. Now the next letter in the alphabet is C. Do we have any word starting with C? No. With D? No. E? No. F? No, we don't have any. G? We have one word here starting with G, which is granite, then graph, then grass. So here we have 3 words starting with G. So how do we arrange the words starting with the same letter? If we have some words with starting with the same letter, how we do? So as our first letter don't give us clue for the arrangement, we will look for the next letter. The next letter in granite is R. The next letter in graph is also R, and the next letter in grass is also R. So with the second letter also we are not getting the sequence of arrangement. So we'll look for the third letter. The third letter in granite is A. In graph also it is A, and in grass also it is A. So the first 3 letters are found to be same in these 3 words starting with G. We will look for the next letter now, the fourth one. The fourth one here is N. For graph it is P, and for grass it is S. So we will check in the alphabet of the English language what comes before what. So we have 3 letters here, N, P and S. So as we can see that N is the first letter amongst N, P and S. So we will place the next word as granite. Now then comes P. So we will place graph after granite, and the last word starting with G would be grass. So we are done till G. The next letter is H. So do we have any word starting with H? No. I? Yes, we have one word here, invisible, and also investigate. So again we have encountered 2 words starting with the same letter. So we will follow the same process. We will go to the next letter. The next letter in invisible is N, and in the next letter in investigate is N. So there are no different letters, so we'll go to the next one. Now again, so the third letter is V in invisible, and also V in investigate. So we'll check for the fourth one. The fourth one in invisible is I, and the fourth letter in investigate is E. So we got a different letter. So we can have a clue of arrangement from here. So we have I and E as our next letters. So we'll check in the alphabet which letter comes first. Of course, E comes before I. So we will place investigate as our next word. Investigate becomes our next word in the arrangement, and then we have invisible as I comes after E. Now the seventh word. We are done with granite, invisible, butterfly, graph, investigate and grass. We are left with two words, that is train and knowledge. So we will check if K comes before or T comes before, because we have to first look for the first letter of the word. So we all know that K comes before T. So we knowledge as our last second word, and the eighth word hence becomes train, as it starts with T. So here is how we do the arrangement of the. I hope you liked this video. This may seem very easy task for most of you, but when we encounter some difficult words like the arrangement of the words starting with the same, which have the same 4-5 letters in the beginning, then this process becomes difficult, and I hope that difficulty is been solved now. If you like this video, then hit like button and also share so that many can be benefited with the video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.